Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2128 refers to a high voltage condition in the APP sensor B circuit, specifically the throttle position TP sensor E. This diagnostic trouble code is crucial for ensuring proper throttle function in the vehicle's engine management system. If the APP sensor sends incorrect voltage signals to the powertrain control module, PCM, it can cause various performance issues. The APP, accelerator pedal position, sensor is responsible for transmitting the position of the accelerator pedal to the PCM. The PCM uses this information to adjust engine performance and ensure smooth vehicle operation. Therefore, accurately diagnosing and troubleshooting this error code is essential for restoring normal vehicle functionality. The P2128 DTC signifies a high voltage detection within the APP sensor B, which is also termed TP sensor E in Honda terminology. This sensor is crucially located at the accelerator pedal assembly, where it monitors the position of the driver's foot on the accelerator. If the voltage output from this sensor surpasses a predetermined threshold, the PCM identifies this as an error and triggers the DTC. It represents an abnormal situation, typically caused by electrical issues such as faulty wiring, poor connections, or a malfunctioning sensor. Understanding this location and operation is vital for troubleshooting, as any intervention must be made at the accelerator pedal assembly or in the associated wiring. When diagnosing the P2128 trouble code, several potential causes should be considered. Firstly, a faulty APP sensor itself might be sending erroneous high voltage signals to the PCM, leading to the DTC. Secondly, loose or poor electrical connections at the APP sensor or the PCM can prevent proper signal transfer, creating intermittent faults. Lastly, wiring issues, including short circuits or open wires in the circuit connecting the APP sensor to the PCM, could be at fault. Each possibility must be examined for a comprehensive diagnosis, focusing on the integrity of the electrical wiring and the functionality of the APP sensor. Symptoms associated with the P2128 DTC can significantly affect driving experience. Poor engine performance can manifest as rough idling, hesitations during acceleration, or even stalling, jeopardizing vehicle safety. An unresponsive accelerator is a critical warning sign, as it indicates that the driver's input is not being registered by the PCM, which can lead to dangerous driving situations. Additionally, the vehicle may activate various warning lights on the dashboard, alerting you to issues related to engine performance. Recognizing these symptoms early on is crucial, as they can indicate not just inconvenience, but also a serious malfunction in the vehicle's throttle management system. For the first step in troubleshooting DTC P2128, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This is crucial as it powers on the vehicle systems, allowing for accurate voltage measurements. Use the Honda Diagnostics System HDS to check the voltage output from the APP sensor B. You should evaluate whether the sensor output is above the threshold of 4.0 volts. If the reading meets or exceeds this limit, the failure is confirmed, and you can progress to the next troubleshooting steps. Conversely, if the sensor values do not align with the threshold, it could indicate an intermittent failure. In such cases, inspect for loose connections or poor terminal contacts at both the APP sensor and the PCM. In this second troubleshooting step, start by ensuring the vehicle is turned off, setting it to the lock mode. Once the vehicle is powered down, disconnect the app sensor's 6P connector, which is essential for isolating the sensor from the system. Then, turn the vehicle back to the on mode with the connector still disconnected. At this point, measure the voltage between two specific test points on the 6P connector. For proper function, the voltage between these points should approximately read 5.0 volts. If it does, this indicates the app sensor is faulty and requires replacement. Should the voltage fail to meet this reading, proceed to step 3 for further diagnostics. For the third troubleshooting step, begin by turning the vehicle back to the off or lock mode. The second aspect involves jumping the SCS line with the HDS, a critical security feature that ensures safe diagnostic practices. It's advised to wait for more than 1 minute after this to stabilize the system. Next, disconnect the PCM connector A, which typically houses 51 pins. After this, connect terminals A and B with a jumper wire. Terminal A corresponds to the APP sensor's 6P connector number 2, while Terminal B connects to body ground. This will allow you to check for continuity between the PCM and ground. When performing this check, ensure the connector remains disconnected. If continuity is confirmed, the SGND wire is functioning correctly. However, if not, there is an open circuit somewhere in the SGND wire, which will require repair. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P2128, a final verification is crucial to ensure that the issues have been resolved. Recheck all removal and installation processes to guarantee no additional components were inadvertently affected during service. Next, test the performance of the new or repaired APP sensor to confirm that it is providing accurate voltage readings as expected. After that, clear any DTCs from the PCM and examine whether the issue reoccurs by monitoring the vehicle's performance during a drive cycle. If no error codes return under normal operating conditions, it confirms the successful resolution of the initial problem. This step is essential to ensure long-term reliability and functionality of the vehicle. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding recurring issues associated with DTC P2128. Regular inspections of the APP sensor connections can help catch loose or corroded terminals before they lead to performance problems. Inspecting the wiring harness connected to the APP sensor and PCM should also be done routinely. Any signs of wear or damage should be addressed immediately. Furthermore, keeping the vehicle's diagnostic systems updated may prevent miscommunication between sensors and the PCM. This proactive approach not only enhances vehicle performance, but also contributes to overall safety and efficiency in operation. Simple maintenance practices can significantly reduce the occurrence of similar DTCs in the future. In conclusion, understanding the role of the APP sensor is critical for diagnosing and repairing DTC P2128 effectively. Following a systematic approach to troubleshooting not only ensures immediate resolution, but also helps in identifying any underlying issues that may affect vehicle performance. The potential causes, symptoms, and step-by-step troubleshooting methods outlined provide a comprehensive foundation for tackling this DTC. Additionally, engaging in regular maintenance practices significantly contributes to avoiding similar problems in the future. By maintaining your vehicle properly, you can ensure a longer lifespan and consistent reliability, making for a safer and more pleasant driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.